explode on you.
There's a lot of videos on YouTube of like people, they're just shooting flames out, then it goes pow!
Yeah, right? You gotta have 6 down there. 6 and 4.5. Oh yeah, 10.5, right?
Hold up.
Good?
Yep.
See, that's number 2. That's number 2 going just like that. 6 inches on this way, 5 and 3/4 on that.
Polar bear loft in a snowstorm.
Yeah, there you go. And you pull that back. Put a crayon mark down there for now. Where to go?
Right there.
Don't want to have it. Bring a crayon mark.
The reason why we folded that back and put that crayon mark is so that when we run our last row of glue, we don't go past that point. You know exactly how far to run your glue. And if you like this video, or at least what we're doing to these mobile homes to help them, give them some extended life, please smash that like button, because if you don't hit that like button, it doesn't get shared across YouTube. The more likes or thumbs up, the more shares YouTube will give. If it does not get thumbs up, they figure the people watching just don't like it. So it really helps me out a bunch, making my videos, getting them out there, if I can get some likes. Thank you very much. I appreciate y'all. See what we got there, Bill? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Thank you, Bill. Top of the 2x4.
Some of the other ones,
Mine is the top of the 2x4.
got me cut off, not correct. You get to at that point.
Might need this back.
Hey, it made 130 miles with no oil in it.
Just the top one.
Just the top. Yeah.
Pretty sure. Down here. Not too hard, here and get front mark on this side. But you have to put them on every 2 feet. Right? On every 2 feet. Every 2 feet.
Yeah, I can get that. You can do it next one.
Huh?
I can get the every 2 foot from up here.
Yeah, I know. Billy, we're just going to the next piece.
Sorry.
That's what Billy's doing up there.
Put a couple screws in, or are you good?
Yes, definitely. Give me one right here. I got one right here. Just give me that drill.
And my pencil back. So you get one.
There you go.
Thank you, buddy. I like that. Nice. All right, Bill, if you can get one more right over there.
Battery low.
I know. If you can get one more right over there, over that window.
Yes, sir. Where's that over?
I got it. Level?
No.
Right there, buddy. One more. Beautiful. Check out the playlist. I know I keep saying it. Before we did this overhang, look at some of my earlier videos. It can be done without it. So if you want to put a mobile home roof on your house and you don't want to go through all this work, all you have to do is let the EPDM, like you'll watch in my videos, lap into the gutter and terminate it, and then cut below the termination bar, and a lot cheaper, a lot easier. Not the best roof, but it'll work if you're in a pinch. Couldn't be any better than that. I like it. I like it, Paul.